I think we've all gotten used to the AI tech hype cycles. One week it's image generators, the next it's chatbots that can write a decent poem about a toaster. But if you're actually trying to build something sustainable, something that puts real money in your bank account without you having to become a full-time prompt engineer, you need to look at what Google's been doing with NotebookLM. It's the most underrated tool in my AI arsenal right now, and frankly most people are just using it for learning and summarizing. It's great for those, but it can do so much more. If you know how to leverage its source grounding and its new studio features, you're looking at a genuine profit engine. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 specific ways you can use NotebookLM to start generating income, from high-ticket research to content repurposing. No fluff, no get-rich-quick nonsense, just 5 practical systems you can start tonight. What is NotebookLM, and why should you care? Quick bit of context before we dive into the money-making side, because I want to make sure we're all on the same page. NotebookLM is Google's AI research assistant. You upload your own sources, PDFs, Google Docs, URLs, YouTube links, even just text you paste in, and the AI works exclusively within those sources. It doesn't go off wandering the internet. It doesn't hallucinate random facts. It stays inside the box you've given it. That's the key distinction. That's what makes it genuinely useful for professional work. Now, the headline feature that really put NotebookLM on the map is the audio overview, what Google calls the podcast feature. You upload a load of documents, hit a button, and within a few minutes you've got 2 AI voices having a back-and-forth conversation about the material. It sounds remarkably natural. People were genuinely stunned when it launched. But that's just one feature. There's also the ability to generate study guides, briefing documents, FAQ sections, and deeply contextual answers to your questions, all grounded in whatever you've uploaded. And crucially, it tells you exactly which part of which source it's drawing from. So the question becomes, how do you turn this into income? Let's go through it. Method 1. Research and competitive intelligence as a service. This one requires a bit more client-facing confidence, but the earning potential is considerably higher. Businesses need research constantly. Market research, competitor analysis, industry reports, due diligence on potential partners. It's all expensive to produce because it's time-consuming. Consultants charge enormous amounts for it. But if you understand how to use NotebookLM properly, you can produce research deliverables at a fraction of the time, and if you're good at it, a fraction of the cost to your client while still making excellent money for yourself. Here's the key feature that makes this work: NotebookLM's source-grounded responses. When you ask the AI a question, it doesn't just answer, it cites the exact passage in the exact document it's drawing from. That's massively important for professional research because your clients need to trust the output. You can show them exactly where every claim comes from. The workflow for competitive intelligence looks like this. You gather publicly available sources, company websites, industry reports, published financial summaries, press releases, news articles, analyst write-ups. You upload them all into a notebook. Then you use NotebookLM to interrogate that material. What are the key product differences between these competitors? What market segments are underserved based on this data? What risks are mentioned across multiple sources? The AI synthesizes across all your documents simultaneously. That's something that would take a human analyst days to do properly. You're doing it in an afternoon. Now, the weakness of this approach is that NotebookLM only knows what you've given it. If your sources are incomplete or biased, your output will reflect that. The quality of your research is entirely dependent on the quality of your source material. So the skill here isn't just using NotebookLM, it's knowing what to gather, where to find credible sources, and how to ask the right questions. But that's actually a feature, not a bug, from a business standpoint. Because it means this service can't just be automated away by anyone with a free account. It requires domain knowledge and research skill. That's where your value sits. The most powerful use case is pre-investment due diligence for smaller funds or individual angel investors who can't afford a full research team. If you can position yourself as a research analyst who delivers clear, sourced briefs quickly and affordably, that's a niche with serious money in it. Method 2. Course creation and educational product packaging. Online education is still growing. The global e-learning market is in the hundreds of billions now, and it keeps going. And one of the biggest bottlenecks for creators who want to enter that space isn't the knowledge, it's the packaging. NotebookLM is exceptional for turning raw knowledge into structured educational content. Here's how it works in practice. Say you're a nutritionist, or a chartered accountant, or a personal trainer. You know your subject inside out. But you sit down to write a course, and suddenly you've got 15 open tabs, a half-finished outline, and you've been staring at a blank document for 2 hours. Sound familiar? What you do instead is this. You gather all your reference material, your textbooks, your own notes, your research papers, relevant articles. You upload them into NotebookLM. Then you ask it to generate a study guide, an FAQ, a structured outline, a set of quiz questions. You're not asking it to write the course for you. You're asking it to help you organize and interrogate your own knowledge base so you can create faster. The strengths are considerable. NotebookLM is brilliant at identifying gaps in material, surfacing questions a learner might have that you haven't addressed, and structuring information hierarchically. The FAQ generator, in particular, is genuinely impressive. It tends to surface the questions students actually have, not just the questions you think they have. The weakness is that the output can be quite dense and academic if you're not careful about how you prompt it. You need to bring your own voice and teaching style to the final product. NotebookLM gives you the scaffolding. You build the house. The most powerful use case here is what I'd call expertise extraction. You find a subject matter expert, a doctor, a lawyer, a retired engineer, a specialist chef, who has genuine knowledge but no idea how to turn it into a course. You work with them. You help them gather and upload their source material. You use NotebookLM to pull out the structure and content framework, and then you package that into a sellable course. You split the revenue. You've become an educational producer without needing to be the expert yourself. Method 3. Professional document production and ghostwriting. Let me tell you something about the writing industry right now. The demand for high-quality, well-researched written content hasn't gone down. If anything, it's gone up. What's happened is the floor has dropped out of the low-quality end of the market because everyone now has access to basic AI writing. But the ceiling, the genuinely good, credible, source-backed written work, is actually more valuable than ever. NotebookLM occupies an interesting space here because it's not just a writing tool, it's a research-to-writing pipeline. The use case I want to highlight is professional ghostwriting, white papers, thought leadership articles, business reports, case studies. This is the kind of content that companies pay handsomely for because it positions them as authoritative in their industry. A decent white paper from a professional writer will run anywhere from £1,000 to £5,000 or more, depending on the scope. Your workflow with NotebookLM looks like this. The client gives you background, internal documents, research they want to reference, competitor content, their previous publications. You upload everything. You use NotebookLM to synthesize the key themes, identify the strongest arguments, pull out the relevant data points, and generate a structured outline. Then you write the actual document yourself, using NotebookLM as a research companion, asking it questions, getting it to surface relevant passages from the source material, checking you haven't missed anything. The strength here is accuracy and credibility. Because NotebookLM draws directly from the documents you've uploaded, your white paper is genuinely grounded in real material. You can verify every claim. That's crucial when you're writing something a company is going to put their name on. The weakness is that NotebookLM can't generate content that isn't in your sources. If your client wants forward-looking speculation or creative narrative content that goes beyond what the documents contain, you're doing that yourself. NotebookLM is an anchor, not a creative engine. The most powerful use case is executive ghostwriting for LinkedIn and thought leadership platforms. Senior professionals often have fascinating views and deep expertise but simply haven't got the time or inclination to write. If you can gather a few interviews, some existing talks or presentations, and relevant industry sources, NotebookLM helps you find their voice in the material, and you produce content that actually sounds like them. That's a premium service, and once you've landed one client in that space, referrals tend to follow. Method 4. Affiliate trust systems. Next up, we have the high-conviction affiliate model. Most affiliate sites are garbage. They just copy-paste Amazon reviews. Google is penalizing that now. They want experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, EEAT. You can upload YouTube transcripts and product manuals directly into NotebookLM, and then use the AI to cross-reference multiple expert reviews. Instead of saying this camera is good, you can say, according to 3 major tech reviewers and the official technical specs, this camera excels in low light, but has a 20-minute overheating limit on 4K video. The downside is, you still need to check and update the final copy to make it sound human and branded for your site, even if the research is automated. If you want to go above and beyond, you could build a comparison engine for complex software or high-ticket gear, like 3D printers or enterprise CRM. Upload 50 different reviews and the official manual. Method 5. Building and selling NotebookLM templates and systems. This last one is a bit different because you're not selling your time. You're building something once and selling it repeatedly. This is where NotebookLM stops being a tool you use and starts being the foundation of a product. The concept is straightforward. You build specialized NotebookLM setups, what I'd call notebook systems, for specific professional niches, and you sell access to those setups, or you sell the process for building them. Let me be concrete. Imagine you spend a few weeks deeply understanding the needs of, say, estate agents. You find out what information they constantly need at their fingertips: property law summaries, local market data, scripts for handling objections, templates for client communications. You gather the best freely available sources on all of this. You build a comprehensive notebook that's essentially a professional knowledge base for estate agents. You document exactly how to use it. Now you sell that as a product, a template pack, a system, a professional toolkit. Or consider therapists in private practice, or freelance architects, or HR consultants. Any professional who regularly works with complex documents and needs to quickly extract, synthesize, and communicate information is a potential buyer. The strength here is scalability. Your time investment is front-loaded. Once you've built the system and documented it, you can sell it to 100 people with no additional work. The weakness is discoverability and marketing. This approach only works if you can reach your niche. You need some presence, a newsletter, a community, a platform where these professionals hang out. If you're already embedded in a professional community, this is your quickest route to a passive income stream. If you're starting from zero, you'll need to build that distribution first. The most powerful use case here, though, isn't selling to end users. It's selling to agencies and businesses internally. If you can walk into a marketing agency, a legal firm, or a consultancy and say, "I'll build you a custom NotebookLM knowledge base that your team can use for client research," that's a paid build project followed by an ongoing support and update retainer. That's proper recurring business. Right, so let's be real for a second. NotebookLM is not magic. It has genuine limitations. It only knows what you tell it. It can make mistakes if your source material is incomplete or contradictory. And the audio overview, brilliant as it is, isn't a polished, radio-ready product straight out of the box. But here's the thing. None of that. If you're already embedded in a professional community, this is your quickest route to a passive income stream. If you're starting from zero, you'll need to build that distribution first. The most powerful use case here, though, isn't selling to end users. It's selling to agencies and businesses internally. If you can walk into a marketing agency, a legal firm, or a consultancy and say, "I'll build you a custom NotebookLM knowledge base that your team can use for client research," that's a paid build project followed by an ongoing support and update retainer. That's proper recurring business. Right, so let's be real for a second. NotebookLM is not magic. It has genuine limitations. It only knows what you tell it. It can make mistakes if your source material is incomplete or contradictory. And the audio overview, brilliant as it is, isn't a polished, radio-ready product straight out of the box. But here's the thing. None of that matters as much as people think, because the value isn't in the raw output. The value is in what you do with it. The speed, the structure, the synthesis. That's what you're bringing to clients. You're not selling AI. You're selling expertise delivered faster and more consistently than before. And the opportunities we've talked about today, content production, research services, course creation, ghostwriting, and system building, those aren't theoretical. People are already doing these things and getting paid for them. The question is whether you're going to be one of them. Here's your action step. Pick one. Just one of these 5, and start today. Open NotebookLM, create your first notebook, and upload something relevant to whatever direction you've chosen. That's it. That's the whole assignment. You don't need to have a client yet. You don't need a business name or a website. You just need to start using the tool to build some momentum. If this was useful, do me a favor and hit the like button. It helps more than you might think for getting this in front of people who could really use it. And if you want more practical, no-nonsense guides on using AI tools to actually build something, subscribe. I've got a lot more coming.